In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly convert text into amazing visuals with this tool called Napkin. You can see the spelling there, .ai. So you create an account, and then the first thing you can do with a free account is create a new napkin. Now you can do it by drafting with AI, importing from a file, or a blank napkin. I'm going to use a blank napkin. I haven't tried the others too, but I'm sure they work well. And then what you do is I'm going to do something called accuracy of Gen AI. And then I'm going to just copy and paste some questions in here. Now, all you have to do now to create a visual is click on this blue button and say Generate Visuals. And it does. So it creates something like this, or maybe you like this, uh, or this. I like that one, so I'm going to select that one. And you have the visual. Now, what I would suggest at this point is to use a snipping tool. I would use something like snipping tool. And then I would do this. I would grab the visual because I have the free version, and then I would save it into a file, uh, accuracy AI, and it saves into a ping file, and then you can insert that visual anywhere you would like. So that's a simple demonstration of how to use Napkin AI quickly and efficiently.